So this is how we can take a screenshot with a Backtap on the iPhone. Let me show you exactly how it would work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you just open up the settings app and you want to locate the Backtap settings. So it is part of, technically it doesn't work on every single iPhone, but it works on the newest devices and most of the devices which you probably have. But the point is that you get inside of the settings, proceed to the accessibility section, and then find touch. At the bottom of the touch section, we have the back tab, which you can click on, you can enable it, and essentially you have two options to pick from. So we have double tap and a triple tap. So it's different, like when you hold your phone in your hand, you can tap the back twice or 3 times, and you can choose different action for both. So for example, if I click on a double tap, I can pick from any of these things, like I can decide that it opens up my camera, right, or whatever else. But in our case, we want to take a screenshot, so we're going to find it inside of the list right here. I'm going to choose the screenshot right there, and if I don't need anything else, I'm not going to set up the triple tap just so I don't confuse the device, right? If I'm tapping 2 or 3 times, I'm going to keep it simple, choose nothing for triple tap, and a double tap is going to be the screenshot. So whenever I want to capture something on my screen, I just perform it like that, and the screenshot is going to be taken. You can see right there that it also shows the banner at the top, which might be a little bit annoying. So if we come back to the main settings and the back tab, I can disable the show banner, because if I want to capture a screenshot, I don't need anything interfering with it. So yeah, that's how I would go about it. So I really hope that I was able to help you out with that. Thanks a lot for watching. Just let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.